welcome back to After Hours Garage. This right here is the first race of the year for us. We're in Osgood, Indiana for the KY Drag Racing North vs South. We thrashed on this for the past week or so. Got it back together. Not a lot of trucks here, but a decent turnout. We're running hot gas, and who knows, we might run open too, but we'll see about that. Hope you all enjoyed the video.
Left side, 352 to 390. Left side, taking the win, 371 to 400 with an 8. And taking the win on the left side, 376 to 437. Right side, taking the win, 409. Right side, taking the win, a 409. Up next, 128, 143.
Well, unfortunately our night and this video was cut short due to the rain that moved in on us. It ended up started sprinkling a little bit here about the middle of the first round of hot gas, and it ended up ultimately it just took off pouring on us, so the race ended up being canceled. My first pass, I brought up on the trans brake. I tried to it, I should say. Got about to 2,000 and it actually rolled forward about 6 inches on me, so I ended up just flat-footing that first pass. I did get the win. In practice, we had our best time in practice of a 3.51, which I'm pretty happy with. Going into the race, my front driver's side shock, I knew it wasn't really doing anything. It was blowing out the seal at the top of it. It was letting fluid out, so it wasn't helping us much. And my rear shocks, actually, after I had changed to that 14 bolt over the winter, they were bottoming out on it. I need to change and move my mounts on it. The next planned race for us is April 29th. It's at Taylorsville, Kentucky with KY Drag Racing. Looking forward to going to it. Got a few things, like I said, I need to change and fix with the truck before we go, but hopefully we can go finally break into a 3.4 second pass with the truck. But hope you all enjoyed this little video, and we're looking forward to the next race, and thank you all for watching.